Hello, beautiful people. So, I want to welcome you again to my 365 day of saving and investing the sum of 1,000 every single day for 365 days. So, today, guys, is 159 day. All right. And of course, we have already saved our 1,000 for today. Okay. Now, the platform we used in saving this 1,000 today is Piggyvest. For you to get started with Piggyvest, once you click on the link I'm going to be leaving in the video description or in the comment section and you're done with the registration, this is going to be the interface you will see, okay? And then when you look on the screen, you're going to see how much you have been able to accumulate, okay? Now, one of the tips I'm going to give you for you to stay consistent in saving this money and investing this 1,000 is this: you have to automate your savings, because that is exactly what I did. Now, what do I mean by automating my saving? You are going to do it in a way that Piggyvest or any application you are using to save and invest this money is going to be debiting the sum of 1,000 from your local bank account and then send it over to the platform without you lifting any single finger. Another way you can be able to stay consistent is to avoid impulse spending. Okay, stop spending like a thief. I'm sorry to say that, but I just have to say it. Okay, you just have to reduce the way you spend. Okay, now you don't have to save up to 1,000. You can still reduce to 500. You can still reduce to 200 if it is possible. You can even increase it if you have money. If you are odogu, you can increase it to 10,000, 5,000, 20,000, or even 1 million every single day. Okay, this is just to build the act of saving and investing. And if you have gotten to this point, click the like button in appreciation of the value you got. And if you're coming across this video for the first time and you feel like you are late to the challenge, I want to let you know that it is never too late. It is never too late. I want you to start today. Do well to join this beautiful family by clicking on that subscription button. Yes, I'm talking to you. Just go ahead now and click on that subscription button. Now, if you want to know more ways you can be able to earn money for yourself, you see this video you are seeing on the screen right now, go ahead and click on the video and I'm going to see you on the other side. Until next time, I'm going to see you again, my friend. Bye.